Our FS Care kits and HS Care kits are great starter packs to help you keep your grass trimmers or hedge trimmers in tip-top condition. The FS Care and Clean starter kit includes 50 ml of multi-spray and 40 grams of Superlub FS gear lubricant. These are useful for the cleaning and care of grass trimmers, brush cutters and clearing saws. STIHL Multispray is used for cleaning, care and corrosion protection of cutting attachments. Superlub FS gear lubricant is a special gear grease for re-lubrication of brush cutter and clearing saw gears for a long service life. The HS Care and Clean starter kit includes 50 ml of STIHL Superclean and 40 grams of Multilub gear lubricant for cleaning and care of hedge trimmers and long reach hedge trimmers. STIHL Superclean is a useful spray with a dual function. First, it removes built-up resin and dirt from hedge trimmer blades. Second, the oil provides lubrication of the blades as well as corrosion protection. It's essential to remove resin from the blades as this can lead to an increased load on the motor. Multilub gear lubricant is a specially formulated gear grease for re-lubrication of hedge trimmer and long reach hedge trimmer gears. Thanks to special additives, excellent adhesion and optimally balanced consistency, Multilub ensures long service life. Please refer to the instruction manual for the correct maintenance schedule and procedure, and don't forget to wear the correct personal protective equipment when maintaining your tool. Visit stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer for more information.